I'm Bjorka. Lately a lot of people are looking for me and even cyber attacks never stop. But I'm still confident because I feel I'm right. Evil does not always have to be fought by good. We can destroy evil with a good purpose. I will always uncover the hidden evil. You don't need to know who I am. I'm just an ordinary person who wants to reveal the ugliness of your government, from corrupt officials to officials who commit criminal acts. Justice is not only for people who have power but justice for all of you as Indonesian citizens. But if lies are the basis of prosperity, then Indonesia will not last long. I don't mean to provoke the people, but I try to represent the people to realize that we are in a regime with very chaotic systems and rules.